Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, May 25th. The Zen story for today is titled The Jar of Ashes. A potter shaped clay at his wheel, hands steady as he worked. A young apprentice watched wide-eyed. Master, how do you make something that will last forever? The potter smiled and placed the jar into the kiln. Fire will decide that. The apprentice waited eagerly as the flames roared, hardening the jar into its final form. But when the kiln was open, only a pile of ashes remained. The apprentice gasped, "All that work for nothing?" The potter knelt beside the ashes and ran his fingers through them. Nothing. He lifted a handful and let them drift through his fingers. The dust swirled in the air, catching the moonlight. The apprentice said nothing. The potter stood and reached for more clay. The wheel began to turn again. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Perhaps you want to close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. Remember, there is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. When thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And now take a moment to reflect. What remains when what you've made is gone? If the jar turns to ash but the wheel keeps turning, where does creation end? What remains when what you've made is gone? If the jar turns to ash but the wheel keeps turning, where does creation end? Is destruction the opposite of creation or a part of it? If fire reduces something to dust, has it undone the work or completed it? Is destruction the opposite of creation or a part of it? If fire reduces something to dust, has it undone the work or completed it? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. As always, I'm putting them and suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group, and I really encourage you to check it out and try some of the ones that speak to you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.